Today, I'm going to explain an important concept in nuclear medicine called radiochemical purity or RCP. RCP is a quality control test that tells us how pure the radiopharmaceutical is before it is injected into the patient. Okay? What happens after labeling? After we prepare a technetium 99M radiopharmaceuticals, the technetium can exist in three different chemical forms. First, the correct labeled compound where technetium is properly bound to the lesion. Okay, this is the desired form that goes to the target organs. Second, free percutaneate, okay, which is unbound technetium. This form can accumulate in the thyroid, salivary glands, and stomach, and it is not desired. Okay. Third, reduced hydrolyzed technetium, which can accumulate in the liver, spleen, and background tissues. Okay. Why is RCP important? Radiochemical purity is important for several reasons. It ensures that the radiopharmaceutical goes to the correct organ. Okay, it provides high quality images. It helps prevent misdiagnosis. Okay, and it reduces unnecessary radiation to non-target organs. How do we measure RCP? We measure radiochemical purity using a method called instant thin layer chromatography or HPLC. In this method, we apply a small sample of the radiopharmaceutical on a strip, then place it in a solvent. The different chemical forms move differently on the strip. Okay, after development, we cut the strip into sections and measure the radioactivity in each part using a detector. Okay, after this, radiochemical purity is calculated using the formula RCP equals the activity of the desired compound divided by the total activity multiplied by 100. Okay, the result is expressed as a percentage. Okay, for example, technetium 99M MDP. Okay, total activity 96. Okay, of the activity is the correct labeled compound. Okay, 3 is free percutaneate. Okay, and 1 is reduced hydrolyzed technetium. So the radiopharmaceutical purity is 96. Okay, which is acceptable. Okay, acceptable limits. Most radiopharmaceutical kits require a radiochemical purity of at least 90%. Okay, and many departments aim for 95% or higher. Okay, if the RSP is below the limit, the preparation must not be injected into the patient. Okay, in conclusion, radiochemical purity is a very important quality control step in nuclear medicine. Okay, it ensures correct the chemistry, good image quality, and patient safety. Without good RCP, the scan results may be inaccurate. Okay, so before any injection, we don't only check the dose, we also check the purity of the compound because the chemistry means safety.